Hello, welcome. I hope you are doing well. So, let's discuss something about our practical component. We should be prepared as soon as the college reopens. We may have practical exam at a very short notice. So, you should be mentally prepared to write practical exam also, not only in my course, but make it a point that in all courses, as soon as the college reopens, within a very short notice, we are going to have semester final practical exam. So with regard to our exam, that is CSBC 121, today let's very briefly discuss about the model paper. So please get ready, bring your notebook, and then bring your pen, and then please start jotting down the model paper for practical exam. One important announcement I would like to make is you make two separate notebooks or two separate notepads, one for theory and one for practicals, and this you please write down in your practical component. And whenever I shall be coming for the video class again, I'll be telling you whether it's a theory or whether it's a practical component. So here goes the practical component, and make it safe, keep it very carefully, and then go through that daily at least for 10 to 15 minutes. It's not at all difficult for you. Very simple practical exam is there. Just daily half an hour you spend on what I am going to tell you through video classes. Go through them, practice them now and then you will get through very easily. It's not at all a difficult task. Just you can relax, no need to take tension, no need to worry much about the practical component of CSBC 121 course. Okay, so if you are ready, then we'll start the discussion of practical model paper, CSBC 121 final practical. You will be having 10 questions. Each question will carry 5 marks. So 5 into 10, you will have 50 marks of practical exam, and the duration will be 2 hours. So you have to plan and you have to adjust according to the time schedule which is given to you. That is, you have to finish the examination within the time limit of 2 hours. So question number 1, don't think that these are the questions. This is only a model paper. Time and again I am reminding you, this is only a model paper, and we shall be discussing several model papers. Whenever we shall be meeting for the video class, every time we will be discussing as many possible questions as possible in the practical component. So first question for this practical exam, again I am repeating, this is not a question, this is only a model paper. The first one is, make questions for the following. You will be given some 5 answers and you have to make questions for that. I repeat, answers will be given and then you have to frame questions for those answers. Okay? Next, give synonyms for the following words. Some words will be given to you. So you have to write some 5 synonyms for each word. We have already done for super, if I am not wrong. So the word super has as many as 15 to 20 synonyms. So that will not come. You will be having some other words. So some word will be given to you or other words will be given to you. So what you have to do is, you have to write down the synonyms of those words. At least 5 synonyms for each word. That is question number 2. Question number 3, you will be having, or you have to write what you call as question tags. First part of the question will be given to you and the second part of the question you have to write. For instance, he is not shy. Dash. What is the answer? Is she? Like that you will be having maybe some 5 or 6 or 7 sentences followed by the question tags. You have to write down those question tags. That's about question number 3, please. Question number 4 is very interesting. The last 3 or last 2 letters of a word will be given to you. You have to write down a suitable, word. For instance, O-N. Last 2 letters or last 2 alphabets are O-N. So you have to write down the words, just like imagination. Anything you can write. Like that you will be having some 5 to 6 words, not necessarily O-N, but anything. So based on that you have to prepare a suitable, a word, please. The last 2 alphabets will be mentioned to you. That's question number 4. Question number 5. Very interesting. It doesn't need any preparation, please. Some general questions related to general knowledge, some interesting questions will be given to you. For instance, which is the most frequently used alphabet or letter in English? So the answer is E. E is the letter which is most frequently used in English. Like that, you will be having several other statements. You may have to write something. It doesn't require any preparation. Okay, it will test your personality. Okay, now the next one, please. Sixth one, you will be given a very, a topic, very interesting topic. You have to write down your views on that particular topic. So this also doesn't require any preparations. That's question number 6. Then question number 7 we have, you have to name 5 things that are, and then you will be given something. Okay, so name 5 things that are, let's say, round, or give examples for 5 things that are round. So you may have to give some examples of 5 things that are round. Don't think this is going to come, this is only an example. That was question number 7. Now we have question number 8, please. Question number 8 is, give 5 examples of each of the following. Give 5 examples of each of the following. You will be getting some headings. So you have to read that heading and you have to give 5 examples of that. Very easy. Next one, question number 9, you will be getting some 5 words. You have to start the sentence with that particular word. Okay, for instance, we, it's not going to come. Let's say we. So you have to start the sentence with we. We are having English class tomorrow. I'm giving you one example. So it's not necessary that this is going to come in the exam. So like that, you will be having some 5 words. You have to start the sentences using that particular word. And then the last question, that is the 10th question, an essay will be coming. A very interesting topic will be given to you. Very, very easy. That doesn't require any preparation. That will test. And this question will differentiate a brilliant student from an ordinary student. Okay, there should be some test to separate or to identify a brilliant student from an ordinary student. So this is the question, that is an essay will be there on a very interesting topic. So I have to write down this essay in about a page. What exactly is your opinion on that particular topic? Mind you, I am asking only about your opinion, your personal opinion on that particular topic. So we have covered about 10 questions. Each question will carry 5 marks. So start preparing, and in future, whenever we shall be meeting for the practical class, we shall be discussing as many questions as possible related to our practical exam. Okay, so that's all for today. Stay home, stay safe, be happy always, help your parents, smile, remember me. Thank you, bye.